Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to today's class. Today it is day 32 of our web development course. Okay. So yeah, today we are supposed to cover variables, but I've decided to push it to tomorrow's class due to the certain concept that I want to teach you today that is going to lead us to tomorrow's class. Okay. So today's class we're going to study something. It's called arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. Okay. Arithmetic operators. Okay. So guys, arithmetic operators, that's what we're going to cover today in today's class. Okay, this is what we're going to cover today's class. Arithmetic, I think there is some spelling issue there. Arithmetic, yeah, it's like that. Arithmetic operators in today's class. Okay. So members, in tomorrow's class, tomorrow we shall study. Tomorrow is going to be day 33. I've decided to push this to tomorrow. Because in tomorrow's class we're going to it's going to be a little bit wide because we shall be looking at variables. Okay. So members, I hope you have gotten that. Okay. So yesterday it was day 31. Yesterday it was day 31, and we looked at introduction to JavaScript. Introduction to JavaScript. Okay. And yesterday we looked at a lot of concepts. Why we need to study JavaScript? Why JavaScript is important? Some people, they can say that why should I study JavaScript when HTML and CSS are there, and they see it like as if it's of no use. We studied all the importances of JavaScript and how we can use JavaScript in our projects. Okay. So members, that was just yesterday. If you missed yesterday's class, it was very bad of your side. But you can go there and you can go and watch the video. It's there. It's day 31. Yeah, I don't like you to miss out this video because it's really that important. It leads us here, and today's class is going to lead us here on day 32. Okay. So members, if you are not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe icon. Then you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. Okay. So no, tomorrow's class is going to be day 33, not day 32. Okay. So if that's small error, and today it's going to be arithmetic operators. Okay. So always and always, there's a new policy that I've come up with. There is a new policy that I've come up with. There, and this policy is going to help us. A new policy that I have come up with. Okay. So this policy here is that before we look at today's class, before we study anything, before we look at anything new, we shall first do a warm-up. Okay? A warm-up, then we look at what we are going to study today's class. Okay? It's going to be a very brief warm-up. Okay, it's going to be a very brief warm-up. Okay. So what I want is we're going to first come here and create our JavaScript project. There is that day 32. I come here in my lessons here, my lessons folder. This I'm teaching you. I come here in my JavaScript class. I come here, it's day 32. New folder, day 32. Okay. Day 32. Okay. I come and I open this one with code. Okay. Open with code. It's coming. So I close here. Then I first put my index and style and CSS very fast. Index.html, these ones we looked at them long time ago. Okay. One part put my index and style.css very fast. Okay. They went fast always and always. They're going to have a warm-up. Always and always we shall have a warm-up before we look at what we are going to cover in today's class. Okay, this is going to help us a lot. We shall always and always first have a warm-up before we look at what we're going to cover in today's class. Okay. So as it's here, so I'm not going to come here. I put the image very well. I put it there, and I come here very well, and I say here box. put this one here, and I say JavaScript class, as we do every day. JavaScript class, JavaScript class. Okay. So I just do that, and I come here inside the body here. I can come and say dot. I first reset the browser. I say here margin 0, like the same things we have been doing. Then here padding 0, box sizing border box, Oh, this is a must. When we link our CSS file, link.css. Then I come here and I put here, for example, by body. I say dot body. No, I don't need to put body. Then I say here width 100%, height I can maybe say 100 VH. And I come here and I look at by the box here, I come here and I say dot box, and I say like this, width 250 pixels, 50 pixels. And here height 250 pixels, 250. Okay, let me just say this one is 250 pixels, and this one is maybe 500 pixels. Okay, 500 pixels is there. Then I come here and say background color. I can come and say orange red. Okay. So I want to say it looks like. I go to the browser and look and see how it looks like. It's coming. It's there. JavaScript class is there. Okay. So I can come here and I say display flex, align item center. We always just want to be doing this. This is just to help us to maintain what we have already been doing. Align item center, justify content center. Okay. So when I do like that, it comes in the middle like that. Okay. And I increase the font size. Font size is maybe like, let me say like extra large. Okay, it's there. Then color white. Okay. Then here font weight maybe 600. Okay. So it looks like that. This JavaScript class. And I come here inside the body and I say display flex inside the body. Display flex, align item center, justify content center, Okay. So members, as you can see, this is just to keep us to make us, to remind us of HTML and CSS, but it's really nothing, because at this moment in time we're not going to handle anything here. Are you seeing, guys? We're not going to handle anything there. Our major focus is going to be in the console. This one is not going to handle anything there. Just say that we are in JavaScript. That's enough. So this one, I don't need this, I don't need that, I don't need that one. What we need right now is JavaScript, JS. And right now, my best friend, I told you my best friend here is the console. Here, at this moment in time, my best friend is the console. Okay? My best friend is the console. Okay? Is the console. And how do I access the console? I come in, I come here where my thing is here, and I just left there's left click and there's right click. There's left click and right click. I right click, and then they bring for me all these options, and I say inspect. When they bring for me inspect, there are various options here: elements, console, sources, network, performance. My best friend is the console here. That's where I'm going to do my things. Okay. So members, this is where I'm going to do my things. Okay. So as you can see here, my best friend is the console. We are going to come here like this. We are always going to start with the warm up. What is my warm up going to be? My warm up today, before I can look at arithmetic operators, we are going to start with the warm up. I want you to do consoles. I want you to do consoles from A up to Z. Okay? This is going to train us. There's a skill that I want to build here. There is a skill that I want to build here. And please, members, if I want to do this, we are going to do this, okay? Okay. I want you to do consoles from A up to Z. A up to Z. And I want you to do consoles from 1 up to 50. From 1 up to 50, okay? There is a skill I want to build here. There is a skill that I want to look for and build here, okay? We are going to do from 1 up to 50. Endlessly up to 50, okay? Okay, that's the warm-up I want. Always and always from now on, we are going to do JavaScript. Before you look at what you're going to cover today, we are going to first do a warm-up, and this is a warm-up, okay? I'll be suggesting the warm-up, I'll be giving you. Tomorrow is going to be a different warm-up, even the next day is going to be a different warm-up, depending on what we have looked at in the previous class, okay? Okay, so members, I want you to do a warm-up of A up to Z and a warm-up of 1 up to 50. Are you ready? We go? We go. So I'm going to come here like this. I open here my file. I say warm-up, warm-up.js, okay? Okay, warmup.js, I come here, inside here, I link my new file, which I created there. I link here, I come here and I say JS. I come here and say script source. Script source is here. I say here warmup.js, okay? Okay, always and always we are going to do a warm-up before you can look at what we are going to cover in today's class, okay? Okay, this warm-up, there is a very big skill that I'm looking for by me telling you to warm up. There is a very big skill that I'm looking for when I'm telling you that warm up, okay? There is a very big skill that I want to train you when I tell you that warm up, okay? Okay, so guys, I want to train you this skill. There is a skill I'll tell it to you as we go on along the way. Okay, okay. So I want you to warm up console up to A to Z and console up to 50, like that. Okay, okay. So I'm going to come here now console. This is what we are looking for right now, and we have linked our script. Are you seeing our script is here? We have linked it. Warmup.js is there. And we have to put here defer. Don't forget that, guys, because we are in the head, okay? Not here, here at the end, defer, okay? Because we are in the head. It's basically it's supposed to be here at the end, but right now we are in the head, okay? So I'll have to put always and always a warm up. Warm up will be helping us to gain a certain skill I'm looking for here, okay? Okay. Console up to A to Z, we are going to start, okay? We're going to start. My console is empty. Are you seeing it? From A up to Z, I'm coming here. I say console.log. From A up to Z, console.log. Console.log. A up to Z. Very fast, okay? I say here A. Console.log. B. There is a skill that I want to build here. B. Console.log. Console.log. Guys, we are moving, eh? Console.log. From A up to Z. C. Guys, there is a skill that I want to build here, okay? So I want to see how it looks like. It looks like this, okay? It's here. A, B, C. Are you seeing it? A, B, C, okay? Guys, you're seeing this? I want to build this skill. The skill I want to build here, okay? Guys, please, I hope we are following, eh? I hope we are following. And members, if you have not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of the upcoming videos, okay? Okay, so I come here console.log. So members, you see we are moving, okay? Okay, we are moving. D, D, we are now on D. Members, we are doing what they call a warm up. Are you seeing it? Console.log, console.log, console.log. We are now doing a warm up. A, B, C, D, E. E. Okay? We are now doing a warm up. How do you say it looks like? Okay, it looks like this. A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Up to Z, up to Z. Console.log, console.log. A, B, C, D, E, F. F. Okay? Console.log. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, G, okay? Console.log, console.log, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, H, okay? Console.log, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, console.log, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I is next, I is here next, okay? Console.log, 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 A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, J, H, console.log, console.log, H. We are now members, I hope we are moving, eh? I hope we are moving, eh? So members, you see, eh? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, 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 okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, K, J, A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Members, we are building a certain skill here, eh? And I want you to follow me very well. We are going to do this, okay? I come here, A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, okay? L, console.log, log, L, M, okay? Console.log, 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 M, N, put there N inside there, okay? Console.log, console.log, .log, N, O, O, okay? Console.log, .log, N, O, P, okay? Console.log, console.log, P, Q, 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 okay? Console.log, console.log, PQ, R, R, console.log, 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 R, S. Members, we are moving, okay? S. I want to say it looks, I want to see how these ones look in the browser. Okay, wow, guys, it looks like this, wow. Eh? S, you see they are all here, okay? You see they are all here. Okay, it's there. Console.log, console.log, R, S, ST, UV, console.log, console.log, STUV, STUV, console.log, console.log, UV, W, UV, W, console.log, console.log, W, V, UV, X, RST, UV, W, UV, W, W, okay? Console.log, console.log, WX, X, console.log, console.log, X, Y, Z, X, X, Y, Y, Z, okay? Console.log, X, Y, Z, console.log, X, Y, Z, okay? Okay, so members, before you're looking at anything new in today's class, we are first looking at this, okay? Okay, this is just a warm-up, okay? So my console looks like this. Yeah, you see my console. This one you can even reduce it in size, or you can increase it in size. Okay, because this is what you're going to look at majorly. Are you seeing members? Majorly is what I want to look at. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N K L M N O P Q R S T. Yeah. S S T U V W X Y Z. Wow, this is nice, guys. Okay, so our first warm up is done. We are now having another warm up here. It's 1 up to 50. Guys, please do this, okay? Please do this. I have a big reason why I'm telling you to do this, okay? I have a very big reason why I'm telling you to do this, okay? 1 up to 50, okay? We go. We go. Come and comment now. Our warm up. Warm up 2. Warm up. Warm up 2, okay? I come and I comment that one. Warm up 2. Warm up 1 is done. Warm up 1 is done. We are now on warm up 2. I have a very big reason why I'm telling you to do this. There's a very big reason, and I'll tell you that in the future. Warm up 1. Okay? When I comment, it will not show in my console. It won't show in the console. So it will. This is now warm up. Warm up 2 is coming here. Warm up 2 is coming here. Okay? Okay. So I'm coming. Console.log 1 up to 50. Console.log 1 up to 50. Okay? Console.log 1 up to 50. 1. Simple like that. Let me see if it comes. Okay, it's here. It has come. 1. Are you seeing? I want 1 up to 50. Are you seeing it? Up to 50. I have a very big reason why I'm telling you to do that. We can even if we do this today, I want to see it. 1 also log 2. Okay? We are going up to 50. Okay? Very fast. It's just a warm up. Also log 3. Okay? Also log 4. Log 4. Okay? Console.log 5. Okay? Console.log. I have a very big reason why I'm telling you to do this. I hope we are following, members. Console.log 6. Log 6. Console.log 7. Okay? Console.log 8. Console.log 8. Okay? I hope members we are following. Console.log 9. Okay? Console.log 9. Console.log not confirm. Console.log 10. Okay? 10. So members, I want to see how it looks like so far. It's good, it's good, it's good, it's good, it's good. You see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 40 to go. Okay? This is our warm up for today's class. Okay? Warm up. There is a very big reason why I'm telling you to do this. And I'll tell you at the end of this course. You would have benefited out of it. Console.log, we have 40 to go. Console.log 11. Console.log 12. Console.log 13. Console.log 14. Okay? Console.log 14. Console.log 16. Log 16. 15. Then we are going to 16. Console.log dot log 16. 16. Console.log 17. Console.log 18. Console.log 19. Okay? 19, not outside, here. 19. Okay? Console.log console.log 20. Members, please do this. For numbers, you see, for numbers, I'm not putting those quotes, but for letters, you put those quotes. Are you seeing, Okay. So we are now on 20. Are you seeing we are now on 20? Or are you seeing, guys? Okay, we are now on 20. Now 30 more to go. Okay? Okay. Console.log 21. Console.log 22. Console.log 23. Console.log 24. Console.log 25. 25. Console.log 26. 26. Console.log 28, 27. 27. Console.log 28. Remember 28. I hope we are moving together. Okay? Console.log 29. Console.log 29. Okay? Console.log 30. 30. Okay? Okay. At least we have moved this one. We are now remaining with 20. Okay? Guys, you will thank me later. Members, you will just thank me later. Even if I'll tell you this, why we are doing this, you will thank me later as time goes on. You will thank me. You will thank me you will thank me about what I'm doing. Okay? Okay. You thank me later about what we are doing. Okay? This is a warm-up. Okay? And I know there is a reason why I'm telling you to do this. Okay. So members, this is 30. We are going up to 50. Our recommendation is 50. Console.log 31. Okay? Console.log 32. 32. Okay? Console.log 33. 33. Okay? Console.log 34. Console.log 35. Okay? Console.log 36. Console.log 37. 37. Okay? Console.log 38. 38. Console.log 39. 39. Console.log 40. Okay? 40. Okay? Okay. So here we are here. Members, I'm teaching you to be a senior developer right now. A senior developer, I'm testing what they call persistence. I'm testing what they call persistence at the highest level possible. Okay? Okay. We left it on the 10. We left it on the 10. We wind up this warm up. We are left it on the 10. We wind up this warm up. Console.log. .log 41. Console.log 42. Console.log .log 43. 43. Console.log .log 44. 44. Console.log .log 45. Okay? Console.log .log 46. 46. Okay? Console.log .log 47. 47. Okay? Console.log console.log 48. Console.log .log 49. Okay? Console.log 50. Okay? Console.log 50. .log 50. Okay? 50. Okay? Okay. So wow, I can feel someone's energy right now. It has come. Okay? I can feel someone's energy. We have done our warm up. Are you seeing this? Guys, this is nice. I'm testing what they call, I'm training you. I'm not training you to be a mediocre. I'm training you to be a professional. You understand, guys? I'm training you to be a professional developer, web developer. Okay? I'm training you to be a professional. I'm training you to be a senior where you can even teach others. Okay? Okay. So I'm testing what they call commitment. I'm testing a very high skill of commitment. Discipline. Tomorrow's warm-up is going to be different. It's not going to be the same like this one today. It's going to be different. Depending on what you're going to study today, is what I'm going to bring tomorrow's warm-up. Okay? And it will be a little bit complex compared to what you have seen today. Are you seeing, guys? I'm training you a certain skill of persistence. Okay? Persistence is key. If you want to learn JavaScript, persistence is key. I can't begin teaching you these simple things. I can't teach you these things. And I just skip I skip some things. Okay? And I ignore that you know this one and you don't know it very well. Okay? Okay. So members, persistence is key. We have done our warm up. Tomorrow's warm up is going to be different. Okay? Okay. So wow, guys, this is nice. This is really nice. Okay? From what? From A up to Z. From A up to Z, then we begin looking at A, B, C, A up to Z, then we look at 1 up to 50. Okay? This is nice, guys. This is really nice. Okay? Okay. So this warmup.js, I can even just maybe I'm going to open up a new file which I'm going to use today's class. Then we'll look at what they call arithmetic operators. Okay? Then I want to look at arithmetic operators. Okay? Okay. So at least you have understood that skill very well. You have got that skill. Okay? Okay. So I can come and remove this. That was our warm up. Tomorrow's warm up is going to be different. It's going to be different. Okay? You guys, you're going to thank me later for this. Okay? You'll thank me later. There's something that I'm going to test until I get those results. Okay? Okay. So this has been our warm up. Okay? Okay. So now we're going to look at arithmetic operators. The first arithmetic operator, as you see them, arithmetic operators are very easy. They are not very hard. They are not very hard. Okay? Okay. So arithmetic operators, as you see them, for them, we normally use, for example, like plus, divide, like that. Okay? So arithmetic operators, let me begin with the plus first. Begin with the plus. 1, the plus. Okay? This one is the same as that one we have been always seeing. For example, the one we have, for example, in addition. Okay? In addition. Okay? This one is one we have been using in addition. Yeah? Addition. When you're adding up numbers 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay? Okay. So I'm going to use the arithmetic operator here and I see it is the plus. Yeah? It goes with a plus on it. Okay? It is a plus. Okay? Okay. So that's how it looks like. So that's how it looks like. Okay? The plus and even their addition. Okay? Okay. So as you can see, we are now going to I'm going to create this warm up is just a for us to warm up. Okay? So I can come here and comment this one. Just comment like this. Yeah? Then we are going to come here and we put another file here. It's called the script source. Yeah? App.js. Now I'm going to open up my new file here. App.js. App.js is just my name that I'm calling this one, but you can name it anything, okay? Then what you want. App.js. Okay? And I come here at the end and I put defer. Okay? Okay. So members, I want to do that one. That is my app.js, okay? Okay. So as you can see, it looks like this, okay? So when you come here now, the console is empty because with this one we commented it and removed it. Made this one invisible. The link, linking us to this one where there is warmup.js. Made it invisible. Okay? Okay. I'm always going to be with the warmup because it's going to help us to stabilize. Okay? Understand these things better and in depth. Okay? Okay. So when I come here, for example, the plus is the exact way it has always been. Okay? The plus is the exact way that it has always been. I can come here and I say, for example, console.log here. Console.log. Console.log. Inside here. And I say maybe 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. It will give me the answer. Automatically, it does an inbuilt system inside which can count. Yeah? 1 plus 1 it can give me the answer of this one. Which the answer is 2. Are you seeing, members? Can give me an answer of which the answer is 2. Okay? Okay. So let's try that and we see. I say console.log here. .log. I say here 1 plus 2 plus 1. Okay? Okay. Let's see our answer and we see. 2. You see the 2 is here. Okay? The 2 is there. Are you seeing it, guys? It's there. Okay? There's an inbuilt. Some members you can see, you have learned this is the plus, you can even do like, we can do like maybe like 5, then you see. Console.log, maybe 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, okay, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3, what is the answer it gives us? Okay, let me see. 5, okay, you can sit here, 5, Then you can come here like this, then you say console.log, then you say here 3 plus, maybe 3 plus 2, maybe 3 plus 4, okay? Okay, 3 plus 5, what's the answer there? 8, okay? It's there. Then you come like this and you say maybe console.log, then you see here maybe 6 plus 4, what's the answer? 6 plus 4 is, the answer is 10. You see the answer is here, okay? Okay. Then here you come here and you say console.log, then maybe I can give it like 19 plus 23. What's the answer there? Okay? 42, okay? So the answer is there, okay? Okay. So members, you can see that console.log, as you see, it is like that, okay? Okay. So This is good. This is good. Okay? Okay. So we can also do subtraction, and we see 2 is subtraction. The subtraction. Subtraction. Okay? Okay. The subtraction. Okay? Okay? The subtraction. Okay? Okay. So yeah, members, we are now going to the subtraction. Okay? So this one is just like the normal things that we have been doing. Okay? I can come here, for example, now this one was addition. So it was addition. Was addition. Come here, this I just put 2 slashes and I say addition. Okay? Now here, subtraction. Subtraction. Okay? I come here and I say, for example, console.log. Console.log. Log. Then I come here, for example, and I say maybe 2 minus 1. I see what it gives me. 2 minus 1 is what? 1. You see? It is here. Okay? Okay. Then I come here and say maybe console.log. Console.log. Maybe 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is what? 2. Okay? It's there. Then I come here and say console.log. Console.log. 16 minus 7. Okay? It gives me what color is there. What oh, okay, it's 9. It's 9. It's 9. 9, not color. 9 is there. Okay? Okay. So you're subtracting, we're just subtracting, okay? It subtracts by itself, okay? Console.log, I can say here 17. Come and say maybe 17 minus 5, okay? And get the answer. 17 minus 5, 12, okay? Okay. So remember, this is how subtraction goes. Here console, console.log, log, I come here and say 255 minus 230. Okay? Or I come and say minus 175. Okay? Okay, like that. Okay? Okay. Gives me 60. Okay? This one minus this one is equal to 60. Gives me an answer there is 60. Okay? Okay, members, you have seen this one is good. Okay? So the plus, this one you have looked at it, it's good. It's good for us. This one is addition. Yeah. Now subtraction. Now you're going to look at multiplication. Okay. The third one is multiplication. Multiplication. Multiplication or multiply. Okay. Use this one here. The star. Okay. Use the star. Okay. That one to multiply. Okay. Okay. So that one is now, we are now looking at multiplication, star, multiplication or multiplication, okay? I come here and say console.log, I'm doing 5 of each, eh? Come here and say 2 times 2, 2 times 2. Okay, gives me which answer? The console there, I see. Let me see. 4, you see? 4. Are you seeing here the console? 4. Okay? And I come here and say console.log. I come and say 4 times 6. 4 times 6 is what? 4 times 6 gives me which answer? 24. Okay? Okay. Then I come here and say console.log. .log. .log. Then I come and say 11 times 11 gives me which answer? 121. Okay? It shows there it's 121. Okay? Okay. So members, this one is good. That's good. So I'm going to come here and say console.log. Console.log. I come here and say 5 times 7. Which answer does it give me? 5 times 7, 35. Okay? Then I come here, console.log. Then I come here and say 800 times 600. Which answer is it going to give me? 480,000. Okay? 480,000. Okay? Some of us, they have looked at multiplication. And multiplication is good. Okay? Okay. Now we have another one that is called division. Division. Okay? 4. Division. Okay? You know how to add, you know how to divide. Okay? Division. Okay? Okay. And division, we normally use the slash. Okay? To divide. Okay? Okay. So members, this one is there, and you can see the division is there. Okay? Okay. So members, we are now going to this one, division. Okay? So I'm coming here. I say here division or divide. Division. Okay? Or divide. I come here and say console.log. Console.log. I come and say 4/2. Okay? And one is for divide. Okay? And I say it looks like it's 2. Okay? When you divide 4 out of 2, it gives me 2. Okay? And I come here and say console.log. Console.log. Eh? And I come and say 6 divided by 3. Okay, divided by 2. Gives me what? 6 divided by 2 gives me 3. Okay? You can see 3 is here. Okay? Okay. The good thing JavaScript is very good. You can even list the line which you are on, app.js24 line 24. And see on line 24 here. Okay? Okay. Then I come here and say console.log. And I come and say 50 divided by 10. Gives me which answer? Which answer does it give me? 5. Okay? Okay, it's there. So I come here like this and I say console.log. Then I come and say 9 divided by 2. Which answer is going to give me? 9 divided by 2? 4.5. You see here? 4.5. Okay? Okay. So then I come here and say console.log. Eh? I come and say 17 divided by 4. Okay? Which answer is it going to give me? 4.25. You see? So members, this is how we divide. Okay? This is how we divide. Okay? Okay. So now we have other ones coming. This one is now the one which I want you to pay attention. Pay attention, members. Pay attention. Okay? This one is called the exponent. Exponent. Yeah? Exponent. Or exponential. Exponent, or I can call it an exponent or slash exponential. Exponential. Okay? Members, pay attention. This one here is always comes off like this. Yeah? Always comes off like this. It stands for this star. Okay? Or what I can say, or in layman's language, it appears to be like this. Where is this symbol here? There is a symbol here. I'm looking for that symbol. I'm looking for that symbol. It's that one. Okay? Okay. So remember, there's that symbol there. Have you seen something like this? Have you seen something like this? Yeah? For example, where there is an exponent. Yeah? 2, you see 2, eh? You see this 2 here. Yeah? If I say 2, and then I put this one here, exponent 2. Yeah? It is the same as, it is the same as, it is the same as, it is the same as 2 power 2. Okay? Same as 2 power 2. Okay? 2, then there is power 2. Okay? But this 2 is reduced a little bit. Yeah? It's the same as 2 power 2 like this. Okay? Okay, so this is exponent 2 power 2. This one here, it means 2 power 2. Okay? This exponent. Eh? And how do I write this exponent here? Instead of me putting it like this, I will have to write it like this. Exponent, I will have to write it like this. I'll write it like this. 2 star 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 star, then 2. Okay? This star star means exponent. This star star here means exponent, like this. Exponent 2. Are you seeing this, guys? Are you seeing this, guys? Are you seeing this, guys? Okay. So 2 power 2 is equivalent 2 times 2 is giving me 4. Okay? Okay. So I can come in and I test it here and see. Exponent. Exponent. Or exponential. Yeah? I come here and say console.log. Console.log. Then I come here and say 2 star star. Come here and say star star. Star star 2. Okay? What is going to give me a missing? 4. You see here, this 4 here. You see this 4 here? App.ks line 30. Line 30 is here. 4. Are you seeing it? So if I want to say, for example, 2 power 3, what am I going to do? I'm going to say, if I want to say 2 power 3, I'm going to do like this: 2 star 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 3. Yeah? Which 3 here is going to lead me to? Which 3 is going to lead me to? It's going to become like this. It's going to become like this 2. It's going to become 2. See here, this 2 power 3 is like this. Okay. So this one here means that it's going to become like this. It's going to be 2, 2. Then it means that it's going to be 2. It's going to become like this 2 power 3 like this. Okay. Okay. So it's going to become like this. It's going to become like this. 2 power 3. Okay. It's going to become 2 power 3. Okay. Like this. 2 power 3. Okay. 2 power 3. This is what it means. Okay. Okay. So members, you can also do the same. You can even say 2 power 7, 2 power 8, 2 power 10. Eh? There is no problem with that. Eh? Just understand that this one here, then after putting these 2 stars, it becomes power. Okay? It becomes like this. Okay? Okay. So when I come here, this and say, for example, 2 power 3, and I see console.log, and I say here, for example, no, then I say here 2 power, I put 2 stars and I put 3. It's going to appear like this. Okay? Let's see how it looks like in the console. 8. You see? 2 power 3. Okay? 8. Okay? Remember, this is nice. Guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. Okay? Okay. Okay, so members, now we can even come here and we say here console.log. Yeah? Then I come here this and I say 2. Maybe I can even come and say 4. Then I give you a power 4 and I see how it looks like. 4 power 4 and I see how it looks like. 4 power 4. Okay? And I see how it looks like. Yeah? So if I put those 2 stars, it means the power 4. 256. Okay? Okay. So if I come here this and I say console.log. Console.log. Eh? Then I come here, I say maybe 16. Eh? Power 3. Power means you after you put in those 2 stars. 3. Okay? Then I come and I say it becomes like that. 4096. Okay? Okay. So members, this is nice. I can come here and say console 3 power 3. Eh? Maybe here 3 power 3. Okay? Simple as that. Yeah? It means that after that one is power. Okay? Exponent. Okay? 27. Okay? So guys, this is nice. Guys, this is really nice. It's really nice. It's really nice. Okay? Okay. So members, all I can say, we are now finalizing with these arithmetic operations. Okay? Okay. So the last one is what we call modulus. Okay? The last one is what we call modulus, or one which I can put there something like percentage. Okay? Like percentage, okay? Like this one here. What does this one mean? This one here means remainder. This one here means remainder. Okay? This one here means simply remainder. Okay? This one means the remainder. Okay? This one means remainder. Okay? Okay? So members, I want you to take keen interest about on this one and you see it. Yeah? I'll be writing down in your book somewhere or in your notebook somewhere. So what does this one mean? Remainder. If I say that 4 modulus, this one, it's not percentage. Someone see it like a percentage. 4 percentage 2. This one means that when you divide 4, when you divide 4 with 2, which remainder do you get? It means that if I divide 4 4 divided by 2, 4, and I divide it by 2, what do I get at the end of the day? I get 2. Look at this very well, guys. 4 divided by 2, I get 2. 4 divided by 2, I get 2. Okay? Is there any remainder that I've gotten here? There is no any remainder. So, at the end of the day, I have no remainder. At the end of the day, I have no remainder. So, the remainder is 0. Okay? Guys, understand this very well. Understand this very well. Okay? If I come and I say 5, okay, I come and I say 10, modulus 5, like this. That's what it means. When I come here like this, it means that if I divide 10, if I divide 10 divided by 5, what do I get at the end of the day? I get 2 as my answer. Okay? But the question is, do I have any remainder? Do I have any remainder? No, there is no any remainder. So my remainder is 0. Are you seeing this, guys? Okay? So what am I going to do? Let's write and see here. Modulus. Okay? Modulus. Okay? Okay. So I come here and say console.log. Okay? Then I come here and say 4. modulus 2. Okay? 4 modulus 2. What am I going to get at the end? I want to say it looks like. Okay? 0. You see this 0 here? 0 means that you have no remainder at the end of the day. You see this 0 here? You see this 0 here? You have no remainder at the end of the day. Okay? Okay. So let's move on and we see. Let's move on and we see. If I come and put this one 10 modulus 5. Okay? Console.log 10 modulus 5. Modulus 5. Okay? Gives me what? Let me see again. 0 again. Are you seeing 0 again here? This is the same thing as explained to you here. Okay? So if I come here and I have, for example, 9. Eh? Modulus 9 modulus 3. What am I going to get at the end of the day? Eh? Members, please answer me there. At the end of the day, what am I going to get? 9. When you divide 9 by 3 times, what am I going to get? 9 divided by 3 is what? Is 3, isn't it? So, at the end of the day, when you divide 9 by 3, what am I going to get? It is 3. The answer is what? 3. Is there any remainder? There is no remainder. Okay? So, the answer is 0. There is no any remainder. This one focuses on only remainders. Okay? Okay. So members, understand this. We are going to keep going and we see. Console.log. I come here like this and I say 9 modulus 3. Okay? I say it looks like 0 again. I've explained this concept very well here. Okay? I've explained this concept here very well. Now we are going to the next phase. Is this one here. If I say 9 divided by 2, if I say 9 modulus 2, 9 modulus 2, what is going to get? Automatically, you know that there is something that is not going to go right. 9 divided by 2, what is it going to get? 9, you get 9 here, 9, and we divide by 2. What are you going to get at the end of the day? 9 divided by 2, you're going to get something that is weird. Yeah? I can even come and test it here. Of course, as you know here, it's not going to be direct. If I come here and I test it and I see 9 divided by 2, what's the answer? Yeah? Guys, could you tell me the answer there? 9 divided by 2. The answer is 4.5. Okay? The answer is 4.0. The answer is 4.5. Yeah? The answer here is 4.5. Okay? 4.5. Okay? 9 divided by 2 is the answer is 4.5. Okay? There is a certain remainder there. Yeah? There is a remainder there. Okay? What is that remainder? If I come here like this and I put there console.log, okay? I come here, I say 4 divided by 4 modulus 2. 9 modulus 2. Yeah? There is that remainder. I'll see that remainder it looks like. Okay? So I'll see that remainder, it is 1. Okay? There is a remainder of 1. Are you seeing, guys? Yeah? There is a remainder of 1. Okay? I think when you round off this one here, this 0.5 which is here, there is that remainder which is, there is a 0.5 remainder here. Yeah? That remainder, when you round it off, you get 1. Okay? And that's why the reason is here where there is 1. Okay? Okay. So members, if I put here, for example, console.log, eh? Console.log, eh? And I put here, for example, 10, eh? Divided by 10 modulus, I'll see 10 modulus 3, 10 modulus 3, and I see. Okay? Okay, 10 modulus, let me say 10 modulus 4, I see. Can you work for me? 10 modulus 4. Okay, let me just give you 100. 100 modulus 100 modulus 20, 25. 100 modulus 100 modulus, what can I put there? 100 modulus 7, and I see. Yeah? Like this, 100 modulus 7, and you see how it looks like. Okay? What else are we going to get? 2. Are you seeing? Yeah? When they round off that remainder which remains is the remainder which is there. Okay? Okay. Some members understand that one very well. When you round off the remainder is that one which you get. Okay? Okay. So how does one look like this? 100 modulus 7. Yeah? When you divide 107 out of 7, you can even talk about it here. When you get 100, yeah? 100, then modulus 7, yeah? 100 modulus 7 means you first divide and you see. 100, when you divide 100, yeah? 100, then you divide by 7, what do you get at the end of the day? Yeah? What do you get at the end of the day? What do you get at the end of the day? Here it is 1. Yeah? Here we got, let me first explain this very well here. And we see. Here you need to complete here. Someone was confused. It is 0.5, which we round off. We don't normally have this one. We round off to 1. Okay? Round off to 1. That's why you saw that one which was 1. Okay? Okay. Round off to 1. Okay? Okay. Some members round off to 1. Okay? Okay. So members, 100 divided by 7. What do we get at the end of the day? 100 divided by 7. 100 divided by 7. What do you get at the end of the day? You find yourself landing at something like this, of which leads us to 2. Okay? Okay. So what the remainder is close to this, which is 2 here. Okay? Okay. So members, how to keep explaining this, you just understand it. Okay? Just understand it. Okay? Okay. So members, how to explain something different here. If you have, for example, something like this, look at this scenario here. You have one, for example, modulus 2 divided by 2 modulus 4. This is weird. This is weird. This is weird. This is weird. Okay? 2 modulus 4 is going to give us, when you get 2 and you divide 4 times, can you divide 4? Can you divide 2 into 4? No. This one is not possible. So, this one here is not possible. The answer is going to give you is 2. You can't divide. In mathematics, you can divide this and you get 0 point something. Eh? But right now in JavaScript, it shows that you cannot divide the 2 with the 4. So, it will just give you the answer of 2. Eh? You cannot divide, cannot divide in JavaScript. You cannot divide the 2 by 4 here. This one which is big. So to just give you back the answer which is on top, that it is 2. Are you seeing? We just give you the answer on top which is, it is what? It is 2. Okay? Okay, it will not divide, I'll just give you the answer which is on top. Okay? So if let's write and we see. Come here, this one I say console.log, I come here and I say 2. Come here and I put, for example, 2 modulus 4. Okay? Okay, and I say what it gives me at the end of the day. 2. You see? It gives me 2 here. 2 up line 42. Line 42 is 2. Okay? Okay. So even if I come and I say console.log, and I come and I say, for example, 5 divided by 10. 5 modulus 10. 5 modulus 10, it will give me, it will say it cannot divide 5 by 10. To just give me back my 5. just give me back my 5. Are you seeing here? Okay? Okay. So even if I come and I say that console.log, console.log, I come and I say that 10 divided by 10 modulus 100, yeah, it's going to give me, so it says, no, sometimes this is impossible. For it, for it knows that this one is impossible, just give me back my 10. Okay? I see my 10 is here. Okay? So wow, guys, we have completed the arithmetic operations. Okay? We have completed the arithmetic operations. Okay? Guys, this has been really great. It has been really great. Starting from our workout up to here, our map up to here. Guys, you can save this, you can write this down somewhere so that you don't miss, you don't forget, don't forget this, okay? Okay. So guys, it has been really great. We shall meet in tomorrow's class. We're going to talk about something different. In tomorrow's class, we're going to look at variables, okay? Day 33, we're going to look at variables. Yeah? I shifted that deliberately to guide someone. Yeah? Day 33, we're going to look at variables, okay? Variables, okay? Variables, okay? Okay. So members, it has been really great being with you here in today's class. Variables, okay? Okay, so members, I hope you can, if you haven't yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of the upcoming classes, okay? Okay, so these are the only, there are more, but these are the commonly used. They are commonly used, okay? Okay, members, have a great day. We shall meet in tomorrow's class, okay? Okay.